Hi, myself Suganya, Assistant Professor in Department of Business Administration in Dr. Asst College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to load the data into the R programming and what are the features available in a R programming languages. That is the basic features available in a R programming language. So let us start from what is R programming. So it is the one kind of major programming languages available in a market. So we all know about what is C. There are the many type of programming languages that like C, C++, Java, Python, HTML and CSS. So there are many kind of programming languages available, like .NET programming also one kind of programming languages. So in that cases the R plays a major role in a programming structure. Why means in this case we can create and load the data, and we can load the needed packages available for the particular programming also. So this is the one of the major concept which is available. So that's why we are always following R programming. So there are many drawbacks in that also. Later it comes as a name in the RabbitMiner. So let's start from how to create the data. So before started loading into the data, we have to create the any one kind of data. So let us take as a student data. So the student data consists of serial number, register number, name and the subject's name. Maybe the subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, subject 4 and the total and the average and the percentage of data. There are 10 fields available in a student databases. So we have entered nearly 10 to 15 rows in it. Later we have these data is available or stored in an Excel file. So with the extension called CSV, that is the comma delimited, the comma separated files, that is called as a CSV. So it is available in a Excel Microsoft Excel. So we are saving the data in a CSV file format, that is the .csv file format. The CSV is expanded as comma delimited or a comma separated file format. So for loading the data, we have used the function called read.csv. What is the mean of read.csv is we are going to read the CSV file into the R programming. That's why we call that as a read.csv. Later you open the bracket, we have to load the where the file is located, that is the location of the particular file. So I am just storing the data in anywhere. So for example, I am storing the data in a desktop mode. So it is available in a admin users. So it is available in a users admin and later desktop, and in that I am giving the dataset the file name .csv. So just I am loading the data in a R programming and I am storing in a variable called some other any one of the variable. What I did is just I am loading the data. Is it enough? No. We have to know how many data is available in a data set, because if we give the data in if the show that data to the third person, they didn't know what are the fields available, how many rows and columns available in a data set. So for that we have to know what are the rows and columns available in a data set. For that we have to give dimension of the particular data set name. So data set stored in a file name. So I am just giving the data of A. So A is a variable which hold the data types. Data stored in a R programming. So in this we are going to know about how many rows and columns present in the data set. So this is one way to know about the particular number of rows and columns available in a database. There is no. So in many ways, like n columns, ncols. So in that case also we have know about how many columns present in the given data set. Later, next, the row, how many rows are present, n rows of particular data stored in a variable name. For example, A, we can save as a. So n rows of A, n columns of A. So in this video we have discussed about how to load the data into the particular R programming and how many rows and columns present in the R programming is known by dimension, n columns and n rows. Thank you.